better be London. Oh my
thought
god.
you were out for us. Oh, you're in Amsterdam. Good luck, guys.
Oh fuck. Actually, my ping is the same on London right now.
3, 2.
It was a lot worse last week. Take top boost out. It's 5. Unbelievable. That boost is 8. Oh, good try.
You can boost. Okay, no.
That is unfortunate.
Oh, rest, I'm gonna get spiked.
Ooh.
Their bomb was 24, so
Thanks.
54. Which would be weird because of pups.
Why is Frazier so fast? Pups 15. I'm waiting bombs. I'm gonna get mid pup.
Okay, I'm gonna probably help mid as well.
Oh fuck me. We should still be good. Start for the
I'm gonna
bomb.
go for
hit
it.
it. Hit it. Nice.
Yeah, nice. Okay, they got attacked by that.
Double tag. Keep one D.
Yeah. I'm gonna go B, D.
Oh, that was worst case.
Oh, right, I died as well.
Okay, I'm going again then. What the fuck? My bad, dude.
We're safe at home. I'm leaving.
Lord.
7 on the 7 on the bottom boost.
Okay. Nice. This bomb. 30. Oh.
Yeah, this bomb should be soon. Where is it?
Oh.
Is he out?
No, we're good. I got all the way high. I'm here.
Whoops.
Bomb
Sick
boost.
call.
Yeah, I'm gonna look mid as well.
Oh. Oh fuck.
We got it, oh, unlucky.
Nice.
No, we didn't get it, they got attacked, bro.
Yeah.
Did I?
Yeah.
No. Oh, it's
My bad. I should have
It's
died
fine.
right away.
Don't worry, I always hold. it's so hard to like
Yeah.
die on time.
It's yeah, that's one of the toughest things about offense.
Ah, sorry, I died.
Got a bomb.
I got him.
Nice guys. Still waiting.
They just bombed 32. That's 0-2, so probably ain't gonna be able to use. Am I better get grab?
Oh, 16.
I'm gonna boost around.
You gotta play London after this. We might be
Might be out.
That's
I'm low.
couple.
I'm going all the way low.
Try to hold for pups.
2,
I lied.
1.
Nice.
Got
I
us.
have
Oh,
mid. I got a
nice.
tag. They got a rolling there, so 5. Fuck. Sorry, it's kind of
Okay,
confused.
wait. That bomb is up at the moment. It's gonna be a fuse.
Between. Bottom.
Out past 2.
We're out-ish. Oh, that's
Oh,
bad.
looking. He's looking top side, top, all the way
Playing
top.
anti.
He's dying now.
We have a reset-ish. Yeah.
Or I'm out low. I've got a guy right on me. I'm going up top
Got
side.
anti. They got anti.
Oh, good
Oh,
try.
he might be out low
Go
side.
ahead. No.
Like, nice. He's still in
He's
base,
dead.
he's
He's dead.
dying. Go around if you can. You got it? Nice.
Man. Good corner. Pops. Mid 57. I think they're chained from bottom to top, basically. Should have mid here. Yeah.
Oh,
Got
nice.
juice.
They got rolling there, 55. This is awkward, I don't know what to use this.
I'm out bottom.
Oh, sorry.
Unlucky.
I'm not out. Might be out top side, I'm all the way top at the moment.
Past 2-ish. Juice gone.
Ah, no.
Mid was 6.
I got a bomb here that I could maybe use.
Damn. It says the ping's the same, but it's definitely worse than London. good grab.
Nah. I wasn't getting out of it. They might portal, by the way.
Tiles, yeah.
Where is he?
He's low.
Pups. 6 on one of them. Look for pups.
I'm gonna lose. I'm
just gonna
lose
get
theirs.
grab. I'm just gonna
going
get
for
grab.
mid, yeah. They have a tag. They're gonna have theirs as well. Rolling
I'm low.
diffused.
You lit.
There's 53.
2, 1. Oh, so close.
Is he out?
Probably.
Nice.
He's got a lead. He's looking low at the moment. We still got him a bit. He's probably gonna be up top side. I'm just.
I'm out top. Oh, close this shit. I'm coming in top. I don't have it.
They have
Go on.
anti.
Yeah. Leave the bomb. Oh.
I'm not out. Still on their base.
Oh, we're out top-ish.
No, I don't have it.
Fuck. Nice. I'm wrapping boost. Actually, let's go for pops. I'm going for mid.
Yeah, I'm gonna look mid as well.
Theirs is 3, I think.
Yeah, I'm just gonna
maybe
grab
2.
actually. I don't have theirs.
Shit, they got... I'm gonna lose their pop still. They have a tag.
I'm past 3.
there.
Low. Just him. Go for it.
They're playing
2.
anti.
Oh no!
Ooh.
What's going on?
I'm out bottom-ish.
Oh, you got it. I got it. 2. 1 out.
Nice. They just mispositioned, I think.
51 on this. It's soon.
Pass 2.
I'll pass 2.
Should be okay.
No. Nice.
I might just kiss.
Nice. I'm out bottom, pass 2. Winning high.
I'll rest him.
I'm chilling.
They're playing anti.
Yeah, I assume.
Pups.
I'm bombing in top. Oh, I fucked it. Go for pops. I'm gonna hold.
What is theirs?
51 on this, I think.
Coming in with the lead, bottom. Oh shit.
Ah, sorry. I was looking for that. There's now. They got it juice.
Go ahead.
I might be able to get a grab on me. There's the guy pulling.
I got high.
Rest.
He's out past 2.
I'm
No,
sorry.
I'm playing anti.
I don't see him at the moment. He's still at base.
He's low. Oh, coming high.
He should be dying. He might be dying. He should be dying. Maybe. Yeah, he will. We will get him.
Nice, we have a reset.
Oh! I might be on
My
top
bad.
side. I'm
I
not
might be
ahead
out
though.
as well. I'm waiting tiles.
Ah. Nice. I'm out of him. He's top
Helps
side.
are soon. We need to get mid, guys. We keep on losing theirs. I'm out.
Oh, they got it. Oh, it's
Coming low.
they got their tag pro. I'm not on Ray.
I'm dead.
It's
This is
still
good if you
okay.
get it.
They got a tag pro there.
Kiss is good. They have a juice on Rita. I'm not leaving. Nice. Shit, it should be out really soon. Nice, man. Where?
There's someone like one. He's at top side, looking top. Bot now. Bot. Nice. 29, I think. I got you. Oh, close.
Ooh, so close.
Oh, it's nearly got.
Oh god, I always miss that one. My
I
bomb.
want to get a button for you.
Oh,
Look. Pups. Look mid.
yeah, we gotta get mid here. We'll have ours.
Ours maybe 50. Oh, they got it.
You have it.
It's like 9 on this.
We got a juice. Ours 50.
Oh, they got a tech pro.
Okay, yeah, we should just get out. Nice boost.
I'm past
They're
2.
playing
There's
anti.
one.
We don't have re.
Oh, he got me.
I still have a grab. I'm up top. Re.
Yeah, I'm ahead of my head.
Tech was out.
Playing anti. No, he's passed. Coming low. All the way
Oh,
low.
he got me.
Pass 2. No, fuck anti.
Yeah,
Only
yeah,
20
leave it.
seconds. Dead.
Okay, just play it safe for the last turn.
Mm-hmm.
Do you see him?
He's going high.
Nice, guys.
nice.
Oh, fuck.
Don't go.
3 seconds.
There you go.
2,
We're good.
1.
We got.
Nice
Oh,
job,
we got the
boys.
cap. Nice.
Hey. Oh my god, that was garbage. Jesus.
Oh, well played. I think from the scoreboard we can definitively conclude that 2k2 is beef racing. He's pretty good. Like 8 power-ups, 20 returns.
Damn.
Oh, do we prefer London or?
If that's okay with you guys.
Yeah, it's fine with me.
Okay. If you guys would rather Amsterdam, it's fine too, I mean. I'm gonna say we're ready.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Alright, well, good luck.
Take the bomb.
Three, two, one.
8. Ooh.
Oh, someone's up. Oh, they're back to
Oh, we
group.
gotta capitalize here.
They're still
Oh.
back to groups, I don't know.
Not if I cap. Who's Emily?
Three, two, one.
We're good. He's coming in low though. Playing anti. He's waiting on boosts. I'm pushing him top. He's dead-ish. Yeah. Nope, low. Nice, Berg. We have a reset, I think. Yep, nah. I'm going. Oh, sorry. I gotta stop taking that boost and be positioned well. Top in 10. Waiting on mid. I need help on mid, it looks like. We're gonna have mid. We're gonna lose. They have a tag. I'm dead. Yeah, you can stay alive. Shit. Alright, get out of base. He's way past 3. It's a
Oh,
cap.
it's cap.
Nice try there, man. They're gonna have another grab. I'm just staying ahead. I got re. Oh shit. Low, low. Fuck me. Nice, man. They're huge.
On base.
Nice.
Going back?
Yeah. He's boosting in from bottom. Oh, he missed. Nice. We're top.
He's low.
Don't die. We're good.
Hops.
Shit, I'm going for theirs.
I'm good mid.
I have theirs. I have a
Got mid
tag.
tag bro.
58 theirs and mid. He's gonna die. No.
Good for K.
Yep. No, he's back in base. He's past me. Shit. That's cap. He should be out though. Past 3. Fuck. That was a nice boost. It's not a cap from him. We good? I'm not there. That's a cap. Alright, we're good. We're good. Tie game. Yeah, push back and play anti too. Low's good. He's dead. I got top portal. Nice. Good call. Going for theirs. We should have theirs, I think. No, they got a rolling. Not defused. I'm dead. I'm hoping stay B here.
I'm low, I'm coming in now. There's a guy pulled,
Oh, we don't have re.
Oh my god.
Nice juke, bud. I
Good
don't have
idea.
him. Oh,
Don't
good
die.
try on the bomb. We're good, we're good. He's coming all the way back, all the way back. They're off anti now. Nice push. Ooh. He's gonna die. Yeah, he's dead.
Don't see him. He's low. I got him.
My bad.
Think from reset.
Oh fuck my bad. Hops.
I got mid rolling.
I have ours.
Maybe.
Top is tag on D. Are you out?
No.
Okay. We should be out past 1.
I'm looking portal.
Our pup was 52, 52. They have a reset. Oh, nice. We're past 2. Oh, fuck. Sorry, man.
Fine.
Hmm. I'm out past 2, past 3 coming low. Don't have it. Get our pup. It's 52, 52. Nice. Turn for cat
Nope.
for a while.
We might be down.
I'm dead. Shit. Play anti. Never mind. No. Oh, get re there. Damn. Alright, we're down 1, yo. He's coming out top-ish. I'm dead. I'm gonna play anti. He's got a bomb. I'm off anti. Coming in low. No, high, high. Nice, guys. Pops, pops, pops. I want to lose theirs. Yep.
There's no.
Shit, they have a tag.
They got
52.
tech, bro.
Let's cap.
Nice. I'm chilling. I'm going all the way back. Yeah, yeah. Nice.
Okay, I got it now.
Bottom.
Playing anti-kiss is good. Yeah. Let me know if I should leave.
I'm looking for something. Oh,
I'm off.
is that red at the moment?
Looking for a kiss.
No,
I don't know he's in base.
we're out past 2. I'm in low. They're playing anti on me.
I'm gonna anti.
If you die, it's bad.
You took the cap.
Oh, you can't die. You can't die for a long time. 3, 2. Yeah, we gotta. Fuck. Where?
Maybe low. Instead of base.
Waiting at the boosting base.
Low, he's low. Get there if you can.
Nice.
Ours now.
They got tech pro out.
I got low. Oh shit, they have a lead past 2.
Might have.
Fuck. Nice, man. Oh my god. Nice.
You can either that.
Past 2 low.
No, I'm going low portal and then going to boost round.
I'm going re. Shit, maybe I should have stayed there.
Nah, we shouldn't.
They got a bomb. I'm stalled mid. Nice. I'm out top. Past 2. Coming in top. Chilling. Get re. Somebody gotta get re.
Got you.
Yeah. Oh my god, so close. That was
We
great.
got mid tag, bro.
We're gonna lose ours. They got a juice flag on the flag. Yeah, we're down 1, right?
Yeah.
I'm off a re, but he's got juice, so I'm playing it safe. They're playing anti. Gone. I don't want to push him off this bomb. Like,
Yeah, just play safe.
nice. Oh, should have the gate there.
I'm gonna anti on spawn, we got a minute.
Past 2. Return for cap. Return for cap.
It's not happening. He's mid.
Shit, he's way past 2. Nice snipe, man.
Going high.
Yeah, you got it.
Yes.
Nice.
Pop. I'm going from mid.
Monster base.
I got high. Shit.
We got mid, we're gonna get mid.
What time's ours?
It's a bit late, so it's mid.
He's gonna have a grab. I got a rolling coming out. Oh, diffuse. I'm staying high.
Half two. Come low. Come on.
Unlucky.
Let me get a half.
I'm ahead.
I'm anting.
Yeah, stay. Don't die.
Don't die.
Fuck. 3,
Sure.
2, 1.
Oh.
Oh my god, that's my bad. Yeah, 30 seconds.
He's
Where?
going low.
Damn.
Three, two, one.